What is staking? Crypto staking is the process of locking up crypto holdings in order to obtain rewards or earn interest. Cryptocurrencies are built with blockchain technology, in which crypto transactions are verified, and the resulting data is stored on the blockchain. Staking is another way to describe validating those transactions on a blockchain. Keep watching to learn applicable knowledge on staking. Before that, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on latest cryptocurrencies guides. Share the video with your friends. If you want to ask any question and clarify your confusions, feel free to write on the comment section. Depending on the types of cryptocurrency you're working with and its supporting technologies, these validation processes are called proof of stake or proof of work. Each of these processes help crypto networks achieve consensus, or confirmation that all of the transaction data adds up to what it should. But achieving that consensus requires participants. That's what staking is. Investors who actively hold on to, or lock up their crypto holdings in their digital wallet, are participating in these networks' consensus-taking processes. Stackers are, in essence, approving and verifying transactions on the blockchain. For doing so, the networks reward those investors. The specific rewards will depend on the network. It may be helpful to think of crypto staking as similar to depositing cash in a savings account. The depositor earns interest on their money while it's in the bank, as a reward from the bank, who uses the money for other purposes, lending, etc. Staking coins is, then, similar to earning interest. How crypto staking works? For the investor, crypto staking is a passive activity. When a crypto investor stakes their holdings, in other words, leaves them in their wallet, the network can use those holdings to forge new blocks on the blockchain. The more crypto you're staking, the better the odds are that your holdings will be selected. Information is written into the new block, and the investor's holdings are used to validate it. Since coins already have baked-in data from the blockchain, they can be used as validators. Then, for allowing those holdings to be used as validators, the network rewards the staker. Pros and cons of staking coins. Because staking coins is a passive form of investment, there is little downside. But it helps to consider the block rewards associated with staking coins you hold, as well as to recognize the volatility of cryptocurrency in general. If the value of the coin drops, that would impact the value of your staking interest earned. Popular types of staking coins. There are many different types of cryptocurrency, and many of them can be staked to earn rewards. While this is far from an exhaustive list, here are a few cryptos and coins that can be staked to earn returns. Ethereum. Ethereum has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, although it is not exactly a cryptocurrency itself. Staking Ethereum on your own will require a minimum of 32 ETH. Rewards vary, but it's expected that the rate of return on Ethereum staking is 5 to 17% per year. EOS. EOS is similar to Ethereum in that it's used to support decentralized programs. EOS tokens are native to the EOS blockchain, and like other cryptos, can be staked to earn rewards. As of late April 2021, the expected rate of return for EOS staking is 3.2%. Tezos. Like EOS and Ethereum, Tezos is an open-source blockchain network with its own native currency, with a symbol of XTZ. And it too can be staked on certain platforms and networks. The current expected rate of return for Tezos staking is around 6%. The takeaway: staking is a way to use your crypto holdings or coins to earn additional rewards. It can be helpful to think of it as along the lines of generating interest on cash savings, or earning dividends on stock holdings. Essentially, coin holders allow their crypto to be used as a part of the blockchain validation process, and are rewarded by the network for the use of their assets. For crypto investors, staking can open up another potential avenue to generating returns.